Kids love them, you know them, you've seen them in the freezer aisle, and today I'm going to show you how to make your very own Frozen Uncrustables. Why make them at home? Because it's more cost effective, but also because you can choose the type of bread, jelly, or nut butter your child loves. These Uncrustables can easily be made with a nut-free butter, which, by the way, I have a video that compares all the nut-free alternatives out there on this channel that I'll make sure to link below this video. Plus, you can use gluten-free bread as well. To make them, you'll need a sandwich bread crimper. I bought these two on Amazon, which I'll link below. One of them is round like the original, and the other, as you can see, is square and will minimize how much bread you cut off. All you need to do is make a peanut butter and jelly sandwich as usual, but instead of spreading the jelly and peanut butter over the entire slice of bread, you're gonna keep it in the center. This is so the outer edges will stay clean and the sandwich can properly seal. Now, if you're using the circle cutter, you wanna keep it tighter in the middle. With a square one, you have a bit more room. Okay, this batch is done and we're ready to crimp. All you have to do is press down on the sandwich with the crimper and that's it. Perfectly crimped. It's ready to go. Now I'm placing these on a lined baking sheet because I'm gonna freeze them. By the way, if you don't have a sandwich crimper, you can also use a tall glass or mug to seal the edges, but I've found that the glass does lead to a few leaks from time to time. Once frozen, we pack them in a large zip bag and they are ready to be packed up inside of a school lunch. By the time lunch rolls around, it's thawed out and ready to eat. Super simple, right? Grab the links to the crimper below this video, and if you need more lunch ideas for school or the office, I've got a lot of them for you on this channel. For fresh and new ideas every week, hit that red subscribe button. See you next time.